Ever wonder about that pivotal event in the Texas Revolution that still echoes in our history books? That's right, we're talking about the Battle of the Alamo. This monumental conflict, unfolding from late February to early March in 1836, was a turning point in the Texas Revolution. The Alamo, originally a serene Spanish Franciscan mission, transformed into a symbol of resistance when Texan rebels seized it from Mexican forces. The Alamo, once a peaceful mission, became a fortress of defiance and the stage for an unforgettable battle. In February 1836, the Alamo found itself under siege by a massive Mexican force led by General Antonio López de Santa Anna. The Texan rebels, numbering around 200 to 250, found themselves facing a daunting task. They were greatly outnumbered, facing off against Santa Anna's force of several thousand. Among these brave Texan defenders were notable figures such as James Bowie, William B. Travis, and the legendary Davy Crockett. Despite the odds stacked against them, these men and their comrades did not waver. They fortified the Alamo and prepared for the onslaught. The siege lasted for 13 grueling days, with the Texans putting up a fierce resistance, determined to defend their symbol of freedom. The battle reached its climax on March the 6th, 1836. The Mexican forces, after days of relentless assault, finally managed to breach the walls of the Alamo. The Texan defenders fought with all their might, but the overwhelming force of Santa Anna's army proved too much. One by one, the defenders fell, their valiant stand coming to a tragic end. Despite their valiant stand, the defenders of the Alamo were ultimately overwhelmed, yet their sacrifice was far from being in vain. The fall of the Alamo may have been a crushing defeat, but it sparked a fire of resolve among the Texans. Their battle cry rang out, echoing across the land, "Remember the Alamo!" a rallying call for their fight for freedom. The fall of the Alamo, while a defeat, sparked a flame in the hearts of the Texans. The brave stand of the Texan defenders, vastly outnumbered and outmatched, became a beacon of resistance. A rallying cry emerged from the ashes of the Alamo, a fervent call to "Remember the Alamo!" that echoed across the Texan plains. This resounding call fueled the Texan forces with renewed resolve. A few weeks later, under the leadership of Sam Houston, they faced the Mexican army again at the Battle of San Jacinto. This time the Texans emerged victorious, securing their independence from Mexico. The Republic of Texas was born, a beacon of independence that shone brightly for nearly a decade before joining the United States in 1845. The Battle of the Alamo, a tale of bravery and sacrifice, ignited a revolution and forever etched itself into the annals of history. Remember the Alamo.